Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you have a good writing skill, then this video is for you. So in this video, I will suggest a passive income source or a website which will help you to earn money just with your writing skill. So you need to write book reviews in that website. For each book review, you will earn some money. So this is a genuine one. The name of the platform is Kirkus. So I will also share my screen and show you how it actually looks like. You need to write a review on a particular book. So you can ask me, I need to purchase a book and I need to read that completely to write the review. You don't need to do that. You will find ebooks of almost all the books available. So that just bought an ebook, or you will get them for free in many different platforms, and just read the summary and read some basic information about what that book is all about. So if you at least know what that book is actually talking about or what that book is conveying, then you will have some knowledge, right? So with that, you can just write a summary for that book. Like it was like, I read this book is all about so and so kind of thing. So if your review will get accepted, then ultimately you will earn some money. So I will share my screen and show you that platform. So this is the careers page of Kirkus. So you can see they are hiring a freelance or project basis book reviewers. So all you have to do is, like, if you're someone who knows how to write in English or Spanish, so for India, like just assume you know how to write in English, then what you have to do is, like, you would need to write reviews for them, so which lasts not more than 300 words. But in order to get selected, you need to submit your resume and your past writing samples to this email address. So once you have submitted it, and if you're selected, so you will get this opportunity to write reviews. And this is something which you can get it for a long-term basis. So it's not like you need to write one review and it's done. No. So you can have the opportunity to earn continuously. So I hope you will utilize this opportunity. So please find the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this and if you want someone else to benefit from this, please share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.